The best performing pistols are useful and come in all variants. Whether you are looking for a pistol or concealed carry handgun for different competition target shooting, this roundup will hook you up with the super performing handguns in the world. H&K VP9. Whether it's security, military, law enforcement, or civilian sports shooting, step up to striker-fired perfection with the HK VP9 optics-ready semi-auto pistol. Featuring a premium, light trigger pull, the VP9 is HK's first striker-fired handgun. Specifications: updated high-vis sights, advanced striker-fired slide design, optimal light-pulled trigger control system, interchangeable back straps and side plates for a custom grip. Patented charging supports enhanced leverage and grip for racking. Ambidextrous controls. Glock G42. The Glock G42 semi-auto pistol is a slim, subcompact, semi-auto pistol designed specifically for concealed carry. The safe action trigger system makes shooting in stressed situations infallible. The rough textured polymer grip provides a solid hold, and while quite concealable, it offers shooters enough surface area for ultimate control. Walther PPQ M2. Extraordinarily comfortable and genuinely elegant, advancing both efficiency and ergonomics for self-defense handguns in ways never thought possible before. The PPQ is the ultimate definition of effectiveness. The interchangeable back straps allow you to tune your grip, giving you a perfect straight-back trigger pull. This adjustability also provides access to the magazine and slide releases without shifting your hand. Designed for right and left-handed shooters. The Sig Sauer P220 Legion is an upgraded version of the gun that started it all for modern-day SIG. Finished in a proprietary Legion gray coating and featuring custom G10 grips with a Legion medallion, the P220 Legion pistol is improved in nearly every way. The P220 is considered by many to be the one that started it all for Sig Sauer. This classic has been reborn with the same quality, accuracy, and reliability that the Swiss Army has relied on for decades. The P220 was built to meet and exceed rigorous military standards. Available in both carry and full size. Glock 17. Designed for professionals, the Glock 17 is trusted by law enforcement officers and military personnel around the globe because of its unsurpassed reliability, optimal magazine capacity of 17 rounds in the standard magazine, and its low weight. With the signature safe action trigger system, the Glock 17 9mm Luger pistol is safe, easy, and quick. Precisely what you need in critical situations.